In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Natalie. I do college beauty and lifestyle videos, so if you're interested in that type of content, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. But today is Sunday, June 28th, and I'm gonna do like a Sunday in my life. I have a few things I need to get done today, so I'm basically going to be doing a like organization slash reset day kind of. I don't think I've really vlogged on a Sunday, and if I have, it's been a very long time, so I figured I would take you along my day today. I really need to study for my Excel exam. I take that tomorrow at 1, and I talk a little bit more about that in my last video, so I'll link that up here and you guys can go watch that. But I have to study for that. I also would love to get a workout in today. I didn't work out yesterday, so I would love to do a workout today. And I need to take a shower and wash my hair, because it has been a week since I washed my hair, and obviously like my hair is starting to get frizzy and tangly, and the curls are just starting to come out. So that is how I know it's time to wash my hair. Normally my hair doesn't really get greasy. It takes a lot for it to get greasy, so, but my hair is very manageable to where I can only wash it once a week. So I'm glad I have like hair like that, because I really hate to wash it every single day. Plus it's not good for your hair. So I'm gonna wash my hair later today, and then I also need to vacuum my room, because there's like stuff all over the carpet. So it's gonna be a fun little Sunday in my life. Yesterday was Saturday. I didn't do anything yesterday. I hung out with Chris all day long, and we watched a bunch of Netflix movies. We made some pizza rolls with a side of marinara dipping sauce. It was yummy. And then we went to CVS because he needed some, we needed dish soap so we can like wash the dishes, and a new sponge. And then I also got a couple of the Celsius energy drinks. If you guys haven't heard of them, they're like so good. I stocked up on it. This video is not sponsored or anything. I'm talking about a new drink discovery that I really like. So got the orange flavor and the kiwi guava flavor. So I'll show you guys like the can later on. And then I also got a pint of Ben & Jerry's half-baked ice cream. We ate that last night. I still have half of it in the freezer, but it was so good. And then we made pasta for dinner last night, and then we just kept watching movies, and then I came home around 10:30. So today I need to study and just get some things done, organize my like day for the upcoming week, if that makes sense. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me. And also, can we just like talk about the shirt? If you watch this show, then you know exactly what this is. It's a great shirt. I am wanting to try a HIIT workout here soon. I just ate breakfast, so I'm waiting to digest my food before I do a workout. So I would like to work out here in the next hour, and I'm gonna try and do a HIIT workout. So I'll catch up with you guys later.
Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. You said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine. All you want, no more playing on all this, waiting. I'll call you.
Got the orange flavor, and this is what it does. And here is more information. Then I have my water bottle, and I have my RX bar. So I'm going to eat this. I'm going to study for a little bit for Excel, and then I need to charge my Fitbit battery because it's low. So I'm going to drop off some tomatoes to both of my grandparents' house. They live like in the same neighborhood. And these are from our garden. So we have a bunch of tomatoes and like jalapenos. Can you guys even see that? But we have so many that my mom and dad were like, here, go take some to your grandparents, because we have like a whole drawer in the fridge of tomatoes. So I'm gonna go drop these off to my grandparents' house. It's 1:30, and then I'm gonna come home and try to do a workout. I studied for about an hour, and now I'm gonna go run these to my grandparents and then come back home. I got my workout outfit on, and I recently just got home from dropping off the tomatoes to my grandparents, and I ended up staying for a few minutes because my grandma insisted that I eat before I leave her house. So it's just like a traditional Armenian thing. So I ended up eating a little bit of fish and shrimp while I was there, and then now I'm home. I'm about to do a workout. This is the workout I'm gonna do. Okay, hopefully this time I film and do my workout, my battery doesn't die, because the last time I tried to do this, my battery died. So hopefully it's not gonna die in this video. Workout killed me. I'm like, ugh. I just feel like I need to stretch more because my body's just so tight. with you, I blew out my hair straight, and I have a video on my channel. I'll link it up here for you guys, and it's like a full-on video of how I blow dry my hair straight, so you guys can go check that out. But I do plan on beach waving it later on tonight, but I have really curly hair naturally, so in order for me to beach wave it, I have to blow it out straight and then like beach wave it, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's straight, nice and fresh and clean, and I ate dinner with my family, and now I am just hopping back on to some studying. I basically have everything on my to-do list checked, so I'm just going to continue studying, and then I'm going to edit later on tonight. So basically everything is like done on my checklist. Edit is going to be like the last thing I'm going to do tonight, because I do want to study a lot more, and I plan on watching Friends tonight and eating some ice cream, so that's when I will be doing my editing. So it's 6:35 right now, and I'm just gonna hop back onto some studying. I'm eating Ben & Jerry's half baked, and Chris over here is also eating Ben & Jerry's.
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
And I'm watching Friends. What a great night. What a great way to end a Sunday night.
Ben Jerry. Bill Ben Jerry.
Okay, so I ended up beach waving my hair, and this is the end results. If you guys want to see like a full-on video of me showing you exactly how I do it, then let me know in the comments down below. But it's 10:30 right now, and I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. I had a long, busy, productive Sunday. Chris is saying hi, everybody. But I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and if you have any video requests, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.